Hello guys, welcome once again to Samasco GH Lyrics, and today we are going to teach you how to create a simple website using WIX. So let's go. First you need your connection. Click on your Chrome. After that you click on www.wix.com. Yeah. After you've clicked on it, that's good. So you click on get started. So you see the get started over there. So just wait till it loads. After you clicking on the get started, we have more options there. If you have not logged in, you can sign up. If you don't have a Google account or a Facebook account, you can sign up. But if you have them, you can click either your Facebook, your Google, or you can just write an email down there. So to me right now, I have a Google account, so I just click on the Google, just click on continue with Google, and I sign up. It will automatically sign up for you. Click on get started. So now here, what is your website for? So it can be either a travel agency, an online shopping, internet, yes, a technology, anything. So you can just type in there. But if you do not want Wix to automatically create it for you, then you click on the skip. Yeah, if you don't want it to automatically click sign it for you, click on skip. So this site you can go on skip. Then what is the name of your business? You still click on skip. So now this is the place. Add your info. So through here you have to type your name. So let's go for let's take F Crown Fashion. F Crown Fashion. I have my email there already. I just input my number. Now you can decide to add your address or your social account if you want to. So now there is this logo, a place to create your logo. So you click on it. Click on it to select the logo that you want. So here's brush through. So I've selected this. So it's loading. So now, okay, that's good, perfect. Then click on the arrow at the top there. Click on the arrow here to move to the next page. So now here you can decide to pick the theme you like. Any theme you like. We have good, we have Spark, Elegant, Timeless. We have all these types, Evolution. So you pick the one that you prefer. So me, I like the Soho. So I just click on it. Then it comes. So now it is loading. So when it's loading, you can decide to use the platelet of your logo color. So it will come. They are going to give you the color of your logo. Either you want to use it or not. If you want to use it, you click on use these colors. You click on it. But if you don't, you click on skip. So right now I want to use it, so I click on it. So now let's build your website. So you click on it. So now it is creating your website. So we have to wait for it to do its job. Okay, so good. So now you can see that yes, now your website has been created. The website of F Crown Fashion has now been created, as you can see. So now the only thing we have to do now is that we have to publish it for others to also come and view our website. So you click on publish. So when you click on publish, publish, now publishing the site. So you can decide to continue editing or you leave it like that because you are done with it. So now when you are done, you can see that your website is now done. You say your site is live. It means that anybody can use it. So now you click on the view link, then to take you back to your website, which means that now your website is live for others. If you send your link to people can view your website so easily. Okay, so guys, on the next tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to edit the blog and the story on your website. Have a nice day and see you later. And if you find this useful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel.